Hi Ray. How are you? Welcome to Melbourne. Welcome to Melbourne. How's it going? Wow. How about you, Alpha? Okay, right? Alpha, by the way, from the Pollock City, isn't it? The Pollock City. And Ray from Davao City.
So what course are you taking?
Wow. So how was your experience with VM Consultancy?
For me, it's very great because people are very accommodating and
Yeah.
you know, whenever I got questions, they always answer and they always attend to whatever needs so that I can be able to solve it very easily from there.
Really? Wow. Amazing. How about you, Alpha? So tell me, my experience kayo, be honest.
Yeah.
Experience kayo about VM Consultancy, exam here, fix it. Alright? So, my experience ba kayo, kind of staff, so,
How about the processing the application, the application, nagtatagal pa?
Sakto.
the reason why Shani is here, Shani, yeah. So, ano pa? Ano masasabi niyo about experience with the VM Consultancy? Ma-recommend mo ba sa mga expected?
One of the first earlier was very good, very accommodating.
Yeah.
And for the process companies, whenever I get questions, they always answer. And if I need lang corrections or whatnot, or for anything, mag-ask talaga para wala nang problem along the way.
And of course, nandun ako sa GG.
Yes,
Right?
that's a great thing.
Right, CEO and CEO and mga officer small, andun kami naka-monitor. So, identify namin kung manolis namin na may problema sa application, I-rate with clients, ito na kami papasok. Right, so,
That's the purpose.
yeah, that's the purpose. So, how about Shandy? Meron ba kayong reklamo kay Shandy?
Ah.
Wow, Shandy. Thumbs up. Alright, so from the Pollock City, currently, prospective applicants, friends, relatives, to apply.
Marami na bang nagtatanong ko?
Daghan na. Yeah. And kay Langga, Zanorte. So, mahilaw-hilaw nga. Zanorte. Alright, so finally Langga, nandito na nadiri si Alpha. Alright? So, wala nang sana all. Thanks again. Yeah, worth the wait, isn't it? Alright, great. So, sa'yo Ray, yung mga dabawenyo natin, mga friends, relatives mo,
For sure, marami nang nagtatanong. To all my fellow Davaoenas and to all the people who are asking me paano magpunta ng Melbourne fast and very easy. You just need to contact your store and be an consultant
Right here.
for you to be able to come to this place.
Exactly.
Thank you guys for welcoming us today and thank you, be an consultant, for preparing things for us here.
No worries, right? Because, guys, good thing is why choose VM Consultancy. Unique kami. Free airport pickup.
Yes.
Alright? And we are here. 24/7. Kahit madaling araw, we are committed. Susunod namin yung students, lalo na yung mga young ones, right? Na wala pang kilala. Here sa Melbourne, we are here. Example. And free assessment. So marami tayong mga services at VM Consultancy. Alright, we have got you covered, guys. So, Sean, Palisay.
Yes, so to those people na gusto talagang matupad yung mga dreams nila na makapunta sa Melbourne, so feel free to message VM Consultancy para din ma-assist namin kayo.
Alright. And message lang kayo guys sa Facebook pages namin. Meron kaming 3 official Facebook pages. So message lang kayo doon, may mga consultants doon. Willing silang mag-help sa inyo.
Yeah,
Alright.
or they can visit the offices sa Philippines.
Exactly. We have in Malolos, we have in Manila, we have in Cebu, we have in Bacolod City, and Davao City. Alright, and of course here in Melbourne. Anyone onshore, pwede kang bibisita sa 171
Yeah, 171 Collins Street.
Collins Street.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that's all for today. So kita-kita tayo. Asahan namin
Accommodation
mga nag-aantay pa sa visa results nila. Well, we are here. Kayo naman ang susunod. Okay guys, thank you very much. God bless us all.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Right. So, by the way, accommodation na tayo. After here, maaari tayo kayo sa accommodation. Alright, thank you guys.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Finish, ano?
Wala man report.